Growing cucumbers can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience for any gardener. However, to maximize their growth and overall health, it's essential to choose the right companion plants to grow alongside them. Companion planting is a time-tested gardening technique that can promote healthier crops, repel pests, and improve yields. We will explore the art of growing cucumbers with the right companions, providing you with valuable tips for a successful and bountiful cucumber harvest. 1. Understanding companion planting. Begin by explaining the concept of companion planting and its benefits in the context of cucumber cultivation. Discuss how certain plants can complement cucumbers by enhancing nutrient uptake, deterring pests, and providing shade or support. 2. Best companion plants for cucumbers. List and describe the ideal companion plants for cucumbers. Include a variety of options, such as herbs, flowers, and other vegetables that have proven to work well together. Highlight the specific benefits each companion offers to cucumbers. 3. Plants to avoid. Discuss plants that may not thrive when grown near cucumbers or could potentially hinder their growth. Emphasize the importance of avoiding certain combinations to prevent competition for resources or negative interactions. 4. Creating a successful companion planting layout. Offer practical tips on how to plan and arrange the companion plants around cucumber vines. Discuss factors like sunlight requirements, spacing, and potential trellising or support structures. 5. Natural pest control. Explain how certain companion plants can act as natural pest repellents, helping to deter common cucumber pests such as aphids, cucumber beetles, or spider mites. Provide guidance on using companion planting to minimize the need for chemical pesticides. 6. Maximizing yield and flavor. Explore how the right companion plants can enhance cucumber yield and flavor. Discuss how nutrient sharing and improved pollination can lead to more abundant and tastier cucumber crops. 7. Companion plant maintenance. Offer advice on caring for both cucumbers and their companion plants throughout the growing season. Include tips on watering, fertilizing, pruning, and addressing any potential issues that may arise. 8. Case studies and success stories. Share real-life examples of gardeners who have successfully implemented companion planting techniques with cucumbers. Showcase their experiences, challenges, and the positive outcomes they achieved. 9. Additional resources. Provide links or references to further reading or reputable sources on companion planting and cucumber cultivation for readers who want to explore the topic in greater depth. By following these tips and understanding the best companions for cucumbers, readers will be well equipped to create a successful and harmonious garden that yields healthy, delicious cucumbers throughout the growing season. Happy gardening!